Welcome any new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlist also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we'll speak about modify tab. Modify tab is come from modify and we will speak about this tab. Any element you draw you need to make modify. And this modify here is too much to make professional work. Just let's start. Now I need to speak about move. Take care, just I highlight here. He gave me animation for this and told me how this element or how this tool is work. And he gave me only the shortcut for it. Now I need to move this. To move I can select what I need to move. And after this move, or if I make escape, I can click the tool first. After this, I select what I need and click enter or space. Okay, for me the easy one is select what you need and after this go to move. Just I go to move and click on it. Take care, he gave me here in the option bar two option from here, and this two option is unchecked. I will make move. I will select from here and I can typing the distance I need. As example, if I need 200 I can write directly without anything and click enter. I will make Ctrl Z. I can make move in the other side. This side I give dimension by the mouse and write what I need. Or you can move from here and give him the distance from here up to here as example. Okay, you can give dimension from here or you make a snap for any exact dimension you need. I will click here and go to move. Say constraint. What's the meaning of constraint? Now if I need to move the curve, I can move it anywhere. This dotted line, this will be the shape after I exit from the tool. Okay, if I make here, take care what's happened, he will make this. Okay, I need to move. If I make constraint, this means he will make only in the vertical or horizontal. You can't make this in other way, only vertical and horizontal, and sometimes this be useful. Okay, the other thing I will make uncheck is this join. What he mean by this? Take care. We say that Revit is smart. When I make here this wall and this wall is joined by this wall, so he understand when you need to move this one from here up to here. Take care what's will happen. He will fix this point because he knows this must be joined, and after this make a stretch from other one. I will make Ctrl Z. If I don't need this, I need to make this move. I make this disjoint. Take care what's happened. Yeah, when I move this one. The other one you can say when you make this as join, make uncheck the join. This means you will make a stretch. Okay. This the other option you need, constraint and disjoint. But take care, if you make join or disjoint and they make in the vertical, there is no problem because he understand he will make a stretch in the two case. Okay, now we finish move. We need to speak about copy. If I click here also or other one and click copy also, take care, I have the same thing. I can make copy on the other side from here. If I click constraint, he will make vertical or horizontal, and the other one here is what? Multiple. You can make one and two and other twice as you need. Okay, this problem coming because you put two wall above. Okay, I'll make Ctrl Z. Take care. If I click this and make copy and uncheck from multiple, I only can make this for only one time. Okay, only one time. I will make Ctrl Z. We speak about rotate. As example, I will select this and I need to rotate. Take care, just I click rotate. I can by this make the angle I need. I will press here this first, and after this I put angle. If I need this horizontal, I can make directly. Now he told me keep element joint. I told him unjoint. What this message under he say in this message? Take care. The same thing for the move. When I make this, he understands that this wall is joined by this wall and this wall. When you need to make move, I make this join, and make rotate. Take care, he not give me any problem. Okay, but if I make it and this here is this join, you make this non-check here, he makes the opposite thing. Here this join, this mean now this need to be joined. When I make this, he give me problem. He told me if you need to make this shape, you must make unjoin because he can't rotate the other two walls. Okay, I will select here and go to make move. Take care, I need to this join. Okay, here he can give copy. Copy mean he will keep this as it is and make a copy in a new direction. You can make from here as you need or write the angle. From here, he told you now there is center for rotation. For this, he takes the center point. But maybe you need to make another rotation from other one. You can make also as you need. Okay, take care. He make rotate and copy, and he replace the place of rotate, and this place he come in the midpoint by default, and you can change it from here. Okay, I make delete. The other thing is trim. Okay, what's the meaning of trim or extend? This used to make as in highlight the clear corner. Okay, as example, if I have this, okay, I will delete this. If I need to close this with this, I can make here directly a draw, or to save the time I can make by what fillet. Okay, but fillet he will make this with this because he need horizontal and vertical. No, he need two things, not parallel. What I mean by this, take care. If I make similar and make this like this. Okay, now if I need fillet, I told him I will select this. Just I click here. He not give me option bar here. Just I click this first and this first. Take care. He give me the pass by dotted line. He told me this will be happened when you escape. Okay, or click enter. Take care. I make Ctrl Z. If I make this and click here, take care. Just I coming here. There is no this line for dash. This told me I can't make here is fillet because this by default this is barrier, not cutting, and you can't have corner for them. But if you click here and click here, yeah, he can give you this. If you click here, okay, and click here, say if I click here and click here, he not coming also. If I make this and this, it will come. If I click here, take care, he told me it will come. If I click here and told him this, yeah, he will give me, because this is not barrier, he will connect in the point, he make stretch for this and make corner for them. Corner, not cyclic corner, not must be 90%, 90 degree, it may be another degree. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about is extend or trim. Just I click here. If I select this one, this reference, and click here, take care what's happened. It's similar to this corner, okay? Just I make a trim, I can make reference for this. But the corner can make this shape, but trim this, not can make this shape. Because he need directly intersection, okay? If I have this, if I told them this reference and I need this stretch to this. Okay, this is the meaning of extend or trim. The same thing if I select this and click here, take care what's happened. He will cut this point. There is point here and point here. If I click here, he will cut the other points. Okay, he makes this as a knife. A knife, sharp knife, it's cut what you need. Okay, this is the meaning of extend and trim. The difference between this and this for only one time and this for multiple time. So if I click here and I can click here, okay, click here. I'm sorry, I can make this one by this one and I can make the other wall. If I have, now I don't have anyone for make, just let me make this and make this little and make this like this. Okay, enjoy. Okay, click anything and told him multiple element or extend. Now I will make this one and make this one. Sorry, I will click this one. Click Ctrl Z. Android. Now I need to make extend. I will click this one. Click this one by this one and click this one. Click this one by this one. Okay, this by multiple, but this one for one time. Okay, now we speak about what extend and trim. We need to speak align. Align, when I click this align or write AL in keyboard, take care what's happened. After this, you can make here for multiple align and you can make multiple for more than one time. And here he give you prefer wall, prefer line to make it as a reference. Take care. When I make a line here, I need, as example, I need this one to come up to here, the same line. So I start first the reference. He told you here the reference. I need this is my reference. After this, I will click here. Take care. He will give for me this one. Okay. What's the meaning of this? Sometimes you need to make here. Okay. The center. If you need the center, you must change it from here. If you need wall faces, you will start from here. Okay. This is the meaning by align. Okay. Okay. The same thing. To understand it, if I make similar and make this here as example, if you click here, just you need this one reference, okay, and I need this one to come to here. I will click here. Take care. It's okay. The offset one, the meaning of offset is if I need to make offset from this. Take care what's happened. He gave me from, if I come in this side, he give me in the side this line or the other side. It is similar to copy, but just in inclined, it is easy to make offset because you don't know, maybe you don't know this angle and you need to make it first measure and after this draw. No, by offset you can make it directly. If you click here, you will give him the distance by snapping. So I need numerical and I need it for 100, okay, or 5. He told you take copy. Yeah, I need this one and the other one here. If you make one from this, take care, he multiple, offset is multiple. I will select this, take care, he will move. It is convert from offset to move if I click here, take care. Now it's offset. If I need to make mirror, take care. Now as example, I need this to make mirror from this to this. I can make by the other way is mirror. Okay, there is mirror and this mirror. What is the difference? The difference here is big X and here is a draw X. I will tell you what's the difference. Now I will select this first. After this I need to make mirror. He told me what here now? pick X. Pick X, I will just click in the X. This is the X I need. I will pick, take care, it's coming. Make Control Z. If I click this and go to the other option about mirror, in this tab, he told me make draw the X. I just draw, not pick. It will give me the same result. Okay. This is split element. Take care. If I click here, I need to make open here. Okay. This open, maybe I will start from here. As example, there is temporary down, as you say. Okay. If you need to make open here, you can make this one. Click here and click the other one. But take care, when you just click the other one, he will delete. Why? Because you told him delete inner segment. Take care, he will make delete. If I make Ctrl Z and keep it this uncheck and make the other one, take care, he make it cut. Okay, not open. He will not delete this. He just cut and not delete. If you need delete, you must check delete inner segment. Okay, I make Ctrl Z. Now this continuous. Now I need to speak about split with gap. If I click here, he told me gap. What's this gap? I will tell you. If I click here and click here, the place where I click, he give me the gap from this. He makes center line for it and they make 20 from here up to here. This means if you go here, take here, this 20. Okay. I will make Ctrl Z. Just you select this is the center of this gap dimension. But take care. If I write here 500, take care. I'm sorry. I will make 500 as example. Click enter. Take care. He gives me the value specified is out of the range. Enter number between 1.59 and 305. He give me a range for it. So if you type here more than, he not make it. Okay. I will make this one. Make this one as you say. Okay. That's the thing we need to speak about bin. What's a bin? Bin this, he lock model element. When I make this, if I need to move, you can't move because it's pinned. To move it, you must make unpin from here. After this, you can move as you need. Okay. Sometimes you need to make this lock to prevent another body to change this wall or any element like door and others. Okay. From this, you can make delete or you can delete from keyboard. Now we speak about walls. But take care, when I select any element like door, say most of them it's active and you can make this for you. You can move or copy. But when you make copy, you must copy it in a wall. You make copy in this. But if you need copy here out, you can't make door without wall. He is smart and understands this. Okay. Now I need to speak about the last two things here. I will make create similar from here. And after this, I will make a skip. Just one skip and I will throw another one. Take care. I will select this and go to array. From array, he give here what you need. Linear array or radial array. We will check first is linear. After this, he told you group and associate or non-group. Non-group, this means you will draw and make after this, any change will be separate. If you need to make the total change, you must keep it group and associate. The number is the number of array. What's the number of items you need? I will make this 5. Here is the option. He told you move to end or move to last. What is the difference? If you move to end, this means when you put this dimension, it will be the same dimension between the each element. Take care, I will write it 100. Take care, he make what? He make from here up to here 100. Take care, 100 is out for out. I will make Ctrl Z to confirm this thing. Now I need to make array, and I need 5, and I told him I need from here, and I make 900 as example. I will make this 4. Okay, make this 4. Take care what's happened. They give me from this point up to this point the line. Okay, if I click this and I make array, and from here I give him the same 4, but I give him the last one. The last one, if I put like this, take care what's happened. This is 1 and this is the last one, and he will divide the number for the inner dimension. Okay, this is the difference between move to last or move to end. This constraint, if you need to make constraint, this means it will be in horizontal or vertical only. If you need in other side, you can make from this. If I need now to make a change, take care what's happened. Just I click in one from here, I can make here what I need. Why? Because I make a group for it. Okay, when I click a group, this is the meaning of a group. I can make edit for all of the group. Now just I delete one from it. Now there is no group. Okay, if you delete only one, now there is a group. Okay, for take care. If I delete in one, now there is no group. Here I will make array, but I will to make radial. Take care. Just I make radial. He told me the number how much you need. I will make 5. The same thing. You need to end or the last. No, I will need the second one or the last. This is the last. The angle how much? I will told him I can make by snap or write it, and you can change the place from here as to rotate. We speak about this. Okay, I will make 300. Take care what's happened. Enter. He makes this shape. He takes this one and make 5 for this. You can make edit from here 3 or 9, 8 and so on, and he makes this only for 300. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z also. Okay, now we speak about scale. You have this and you need to make a scale. No, you can't make a scale for what? For wall, because the wall not make a scale for it. But if you have any sketch here like this as example, select this, you can make a scale for this. Yeah, I can make a scale. Told him you need graphical or number. If you number, you can give him the double. Yeah, where you need the best point to make a scale, I will select this. Just I click, take care what's happened. He make it to be twice of the other one because I make it double. From here, move with nearby element. If I click here, I can move it after I make scale for it. Okay, this most thing you will find in modify. There are other thing here and this advanced, and we can speak about it in other video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.